your birthday? See the tiger? Oh. Oh,
Hi to vlog! Hi to vlog!
hi, the vlog!
Naan ko kasi.
Tulog yan, tulog yan. Tulog yan sa biyahe. Hi! Yes! Where's Mama? Dog? What's that? Dog? Dog, ayun o. At... Pop, pop, pop. Eat na, eat.
And rice. Wow! Delicious. Yummy.
That's Jollibee nak? Smile!
Scary. Tama, tas meron ka dito. Ayan na! Zurich Safari. Sweet honey kiss me. Okay, dito.
Saka dito.
Doon talaga dito. Ayan, tabihan mo na lang sila. Ayan, ayun sila. Dito ko sa tabi. Wala, hindi ka nakadamit. Wala ka damit?
Saan sila? Bumili ticket? Ay, hindi.
Wow, so cool. Wow, happy birthday!
Yes.
Let's go.
Mom, mama, ma, nan, da, da, mom, mom, mom.
Ethan, sit here.
Tuntua siya. Nakita niya na in person. Tiger? Oh, look. Where's the tiger? Where's the tiger? Where's the tiger?
Yan! Ah!
Magaling din San Mede, mas nakadikit ka sa tiger. Mas
Ready na siya, ready na siya. Mukhang masarap to.
Yan.
Atras.
Lalaglag yung napuputol na kamay. Relax lang.
Grabe naman.
Okay, come on. Move. Good. Excited na siya talaga. Okay, closer na. Medyo basa lang siya ng konti. Kakaliguin niya. Kakaliguin ka pa ng konti. Yan! Para maganda. Sa camera ang tingin. Pa ng konti. Yan. Medyo tulak ng konti yung kamay dito, sir. Sa camera lang ang tingin. And 1, 2, 3. Sa camera lang ang tingin. Sa pusin lang na medyo mati. Komisyon siya. Tulak mo ng konti.
Ayun, hold. Ay, din ka
Tiger pose. Tiger pose. Yan. Diba? Camera nyo, tingin. Tingin lang sa camera, sir.
Say hi. Oh, tiger pose, tiger.
Okay. Leave the button. Good.
Ah, leave the battle. Ang galing.
Okay.
Laki ng puno.
Oh, bird.
Kasi naka-glass ka.
Oh, can you see? Yeah. Look, same. Oh, like that. Okay. Yeah, and then look at the bird. Say hi to the bird.
Say hi.
Hi, bird.
Peacock.
Mag-picture ka lang sa
Ay, huwag niyo pa namin mga mga.
Show the bird your stamp. Your feet pala kasi. 10:30.
Ayaw ma. Saan ba yun? Sa labas? Ay, sa harapan?
Swimming siya, swimming. Kagigising lang yan. Naghihilamos.
Ay, tapos na. Finish na, anak. Where's the Ikan? Ikan.
Go to Lolo. At the back.
Put your face inside. Put your face inside. Smile.
Oh, ito pala yung mga ratite eh. Ostrich. Eh. Ah, sila ba? Yung kinagat yung kamay?
Diyan ba?
Oh, again, again. Again, one more, one more. Ayaw yung bitawan.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Dadalawang isip, pinagtitripan niya eh. Hindi naman nga ninong kamay. Sige. Pinapaasa mo daw siya. Sige, picture.
Nahahawakan sila ate.
Sige, baka may ulo.
Oh, very good! Another one.
Ay, siya din pala. Isa din pala. Okay lang yan. Huwag mo siya. Sa Japan lang aalay ba?
Mababait sila.
Ano yun? Ano yung nakuha nung isa? Dahon?
May ano ata sila, mga nakasabi.
Dahon lang eh. Dahon nag-aagaw.
Aba nga yung pupo nila. Cheetah.
Smile! Kaya nang gaganon yun ah.
Oo nga eh. Ah, what? Nagsasalita.
Ano sabi mo?
What?
Look, there's Dada!
Bakit? Agaga, hindi sa tita. Tida.
Like a baby, like, a baby mo? Before you come.
Smile. Ayan na. Wait for the bird. Ay, ang dami! Ang dami.
Gigi!
Uy, sinipa! Sinipa yung isa!
Yay!
Yay! Wipe your hands. Bata? Ano yung bata pa ba? Pagkalati na yung bata. Pawak ko dapat yung sa kanila. Ilang taon na to kuya?
Mga nasa 50 to 60 years old na po yung sila.
Up and.
Careful, careful.
Dalawa pa tayo. Dalawa kayo.
May tunog pa. Mrs. M.
And then say
Grabe.
say mabagal din talaga.
Bagal sila. Ay, sayang.
Hindi niya makuha. Ano ka ba naman? Teka lang. Dali. Ayan, tumayo na. Lolo na yung sarilo.
Last. Fight.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, no more. Angat mo yan.
Yan. What is the baby doing, baby goat?
How are we all feeling today? Are we all good? Alright, it's still on training. So please remain seated throughout the presentation. And my name is Angela and welcome here at Swimming Safari.
Teka lang. Baby nyo.
Come on guys, clap your hands.
No more. No more na. No more. One more.
Now guys, do you want more? We use the system called positive reinforcement training. It is our African Grey Parrot. Everybody, what you've got? Come on. Okay, you fix the ball. Now walking on the table.
Shoot.
Let's give a round of applause to our African Grey Parrot and Philippines. Okay, Kuko is our umbrella cockatoo, also known as Kakatuora alba. Now we have here two trash bins, the biodegradable and the non-biodegradable bin. Now Coco, let's see some demonstration. Coco, mix a liquor and put it in the biodegradable bin. And then the animal friends named Zook and Kyle. Okay, now Ate Samantha, you are going to hold Kyle like a baby, okay? They are a subspecies of the crab-eating macaque, locally known as maching, or in general term, unggoy. They can be found in Southeast Asia. Brave volunteers, we will be receiving a bowler from Zubik Safari. Thank you.
Tolma.
Hi, ma'am.
Oh, see, that's ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Happy morning. What is your name and where are you from?
Okay, San Mateo.
Okay, now are you ready to meet our next animal friend?
Okay, am I pretty?
Coco, is she pretty?
Yes.
Yes, you are, according to Coco. How about your next question?
Coco, am I sexy?
Coco, is she sexy? Oh,
No.
just thinking about it. Oh, I'm sorry about that. But you can ask her one more time. Come on.
Coco, am I sexy?
Coco, is she sexy? Absolutely you are. Coco loves you to join in dancing on the famous Solo Pop Challenge.
Dance, dance.
Turn around. Clap your hands.
Gusto mo yan eh. Gusto mo yan eh.
Okay, you are a great dancer, but we are not done yet. You want to kiss Mom on your lips? Mom, would you give Coco a chance to kiss you on your lips? 1, 2, and 3. Wow, that was so sweet. Okay, come on, guys. Once again, I will be needing 2 handles.
Mama. Okay.
Hi. Yes, and it's a great experience for you, right? Yes. Only here in Zooey Safari. Let's give a round of applause to our reptilian friends and of course to my brave volunteers. Okay, sir, all you have to do is put your arms up like this. Come on, sir, put your arms up like this, sir. Head stone down. And when Amon is finally on your shoulders, slowly stand up. Okay, there you have it. Okay, once again, this is Almon, our Palawan Bear Cat. Of course to Almon, and of course to my great volunteer. You will be receiving a honor from Zooey Safari. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. See you on your next visit and enjoy your stay here. Thank you so much, guys.
Let's go.
Snake mo naman. Wow, snake. That's Lucas. Is that a spider? How big is the spider?
Galing sa mall na yun.
Burmese. Mga baby. Puwet niya ba? Puwet niya yun ano?
So many.
Ay, grabe.
Nagpa-monitor yan. CCTV yan, CCTV.
Pwede bang gamitin sa computer yan?
CCTV yan. Monitor. More. Ayan. Albino. Uy, mama. Oo, ang laki niya. Gagin, laki. Ba't hindi nakalak?
Mayumi.
That's the say one. Oh, there's another one. You see this one? Oh. Nag-ano siya ng mata, blinking at you.
Look at the tail, Ethan. Look at the tail. When you say Anne, say Anne.
Wrong timing tayo, break time.
Look up there.
Tama, nagpapahinga lahat. Nakita yung bata.
Gusto mo paglaro?
Nakikipaglaro sa...
Nakikipaglaro siya, oh. Sumugod na siya. Nakikipaglaro siya. Hi.
Tinitignan niya si Ethan.
Oo, si Ethan.
Okay, it's the time. Okay.
Sleeping. Sleepy.
Ethan, did you like the lion?
Hi, to the camera.
Ah, Ethan, picture.
Take a picture.
Tapos, yeah.
Say hi. Ah, dyan natin sa magkapakain.
Saka dyan. Dapat sila yung isa sa
Pray for me. Ayan.
Tinatay. Ilang tiger at a time?
Boy, stay here.
No, stay here.
Okay po, ma'am, sir.
Ginagalit. Uy, bakit?
Dali natin mga doon sa bato. Mahirap dito.
Bakit sa mama? Oy! Ethan, camera.
Grabe, oh. Buto niya, gaga. Kamay mo pa yun. Bye-bye. Ayan na siya, baba na. Yan yung malaki. Ayan, oh. Hi! Busog ata.
Pakita mo yung height mo dyan.
Grabe. Ang laki niya. Grabe.
Wow!
Ay, mas malaki pa dyan. Nasa loob. Ang laki. Ganda niya. Ang ganda.
Ayaw ko pa rin.
Leng.
Nagkakrap yung bata dito.
Grabe.
Ano po, magkakapatid po sila.
Mas mapusyaw siya, no? Pagod siya, nagpapahinga siya.
Ito, mukhang nabusog to. Mas matang pahaba.
Ito, ang laki nito.
Ito ata. Ah, ito malaki.
Ang laki.
Tom po, yung katabi niya po si Jerry. Oh, matika.
Kalit si Jerry.
Yan, ganito po.
Grabe.
Halos lahat po sila meron din.
Grabe yung kamay. Ito may kamay.
Jerry! Jerry! Oh. Jawa. Luwag. Down. Luwag.
Very good. Oh, Jerry! Ethan! Hindi na takot eh. This is Senate President. Sabi sa hearing.
Itando ko sa menu.
Naka-idle sila. Nag-hibernate sila. Baby pa yun. Tara, move tayo din. Ayan, magpapakain.
Nahuli ka agad.
Nakaligtas.
Elsa! Okay na.
Ayaw kasi sila. Wait lang.
Nakita na, so many.
Wait lang.
Look, oh, here, oh, look, kita na, so many. Nagkabuhol. Ayun na, ano na siya? So sharp, so many. How about you? How about you? Can I see yours?
About that one.
Hindi siya sa ilalim.
Hawak ko yung isa.
Oh, wait. Hold the crocodile? Hold? Yes, okay. Wait, we hold the crocodile. Are you excited?
Kain na lang?
Hindi, sumama kayo.
Lahat tayo?
We will hold the crocodile. Naalaw sa crocodile.
Hawak po sa buntot, ma'am.
Wala pong lalapit dito sa head niya.
Patong lang po yung kamay, ma'am.
Uy, lamig niya.
Hindi, hold only. Hold only. I don't squeeze, hold only. Okay, hold only.
Closer po.
Hold only. And then smile to kuya, okay? Smile.
Smile. And then thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
That's all like this.
Roar.
Okay, one more po.
Blow. Okay.
1, 2, 3, blow! Happy birthday, Ethan!
Wala na daw.
Wala na daw. Later you will eat this, okay? Later.
May malapit na daw eh. Grabe, tumatalong na lang. Ayun ata eh. Oh, you wait. You wait, you wait. Alis mo, alis mo.
Ethan, loko.
Ang ingay. Babalik agad. Ay, sa ikot na lang. Wala lang gas, no more gas. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say thank you.